Hi everyone. So in this section of course Java unit testing with JUnit 5, we will discuss about JUnit 5 conditional test execution. So friends, what do we mean by conditional test execution? So friends, here you can see that JUnit 5 has execution condition extension API. So here execution condition API is part of extension model, which we will discuss in our upcoming lecture. For now, just think that execution condition API, which allows developers to enable or disable a test based on certain conditions programmatically. Also friends, in one of our previous lecture, we discussed about @disabled annotation. So here you can see disabled condition is one of the built-in execution condition that supports @disabled annotation. And we already discussed that whenever we provide @disabled annotation on the top of our test, those tests are simply skipped. So similar to disabled condition, JUnit Jupyter also supports many other annotation based conditions present in package awk.junit.jupyter.api.condition. So in this section of course, we will discuss about these conditions and we will also discuss that how to apply those conditions. So some of such conditions are operating system conditions, Java runtime environment conditions, system property conditions, environment variable conditions, etc. So friends, JUnit Jupyter has inbuilt support for conditional test execution. So some are related to operating system, some are related to Java runtime environment, some are related to the system properties, and some are related to the environment variables. So we'll discuss all of these conditions in our upcoming lectures. And we will see that how we can use these execution conditions to enable or disable a test programmatically.